Today we are checking out the rear blackout panel with a smoked tint for the 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. If you want to change the entire vibe of the rear end of the Mustang in only about 15 minutes, this is one of the easiest style upgrades that you can do that still looks clean and intentional, so it's definitely worth looking into. This is all about giving the back of your Mustang a darker and more aggressive look without committing to anything permanent. This smoked tint immediately tones down the bright factory rear panel area and makes the entire rear end look more modern and more finished, especially on lighter colored cars where the contrast really pops and looks super clean. It's also going to do more than just looks. It's going to help protect that rear panel area from little scratches and scuffs when you're getting in and out of that trunk, and you don't have to worry as much about scratching the back of the car. Another nice touch is the fact that it's designed with a cutout for the rear badge area, so it still looks right and it doesn't feel like you slapped a sheet over the back of the car just to get the blacked out look. And because it uses high quality adhesive tape right on the back, you get a secure fit without drilling holes or making any permanent changes with a super easy install. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. Overall, if you want maximum visual change with minimal effort on the rear end of the car, this is exactly the lane that this sits in, so it's definitely worth considering. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a durable acrylic with an eye-catching smoked tint, designed to hold its shape and keep a clean look over time, and it mounts using this high-quality adhesive right on the back that we talked about for that secure, no-drill installation, which is just a nice touch with this super easy install to change up the look. Now, when it comes to the pricing on this, it's coming in right around that $100 price range. That is a very reasonable price point for a rear end style change that you'll notice every time you walk up to the car. And it's way cheaper than going down the road of paint work or more complicated ways just to get that darker blacked out look. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 15 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop. We're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
So we're going to be installing this deck lid. This is adhesive tape. It's the whole thing. Put on just like that. So first, what we're going to do, take our alcohol pads and wipe down where the adhesive tape is going to go. Now we're just going to peel these off. Here, as you see, all the adhesive is off. So I have a little bit of the tape on the other side. Was fine. And there you have it. Amazing. Great product. Really easy to put on. Literally just like a sticker.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the rear blackout panel with the smoked tint for the 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.